Understanding the guest DJ slot. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in the music and radio industry, the guest DJ slot. This term is not just about music. It's a gateway to understanding cultural expressions. Let's get the beat going and decode this phrase together. The term guest DJ slot can be split into two parts: guest DJ and slot. A DJ is short for disc jockey, the person who selects and plays recorded music for an audience. When we add the word guest before it, it implies that the DJ is not a regular feature but an invited participant. The slot refers to a specific time period allocated for a particular purpose. So, a guest DJ slot is a time period set aside for a DJ who is invited to play their music selection, usually in the context of a radio show or club event. Having a guest DJ slot is a big deal. It's an opportunity for DJs to showcase their skills to a new or broader audience, often bringing their unique style or flair to the show or event. For the hosting radio station or club, it's a way to introduce fresh content and keep their audience engaged with diverse musical tastes. The concept of a guest DJ slot also reflects cultural dynamics, such as the importance of music in bringing people together and the role of radio or live events in shaping musical trends. It's a reflection of openness to new influences and the celebration of creativity in the music industry. And that's the scoop on the guest DJ slot. Whether you're an aspiring DJ looking to rock a crowd or just curious about the phrase, we hope this video has been enlightening. Keep tuning in for more insights into the English language and its fascinating phrases. Happy learning, and catch you in the next video.